Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
So please turn on your videos. All of you, try to turn on your videos. Others, please turn on your videos. So I will be taking your first aid theory. Okay. For today, I'll be taking your first aid theory. You write down. It's a write down the topic hemorrhage or bleeding. The name of the chapter is hemorrhage or bleeding. The title is hemorrhage or bleeding. Hemorrhage. H-A-E-M-O-R-R-H-A-G. Hemorrhage. H-A-E-M-O-R-R-H-A-G-E. Hemorrhage. Hemorrhage or bleeding. Hemorrhage is also known as bleeding. Okay. Bleeding is the common term, whereas hemorrhage is the medical term. Okay. So hemorrhage, the meaning of hemorrhage itself is bleeding. B-L-E-E-D-I-N-G, bleeding. So write down. What is hemorrhage? Write down. What is hemorrhage? What is hemorrhage? Write down the question. What is hemorrhage? What is hemorrhage? So you write down the answer. Hemorrhage or bleeding. Hemorrhage or bleeding. B-L-E-E-D-I-N-G. Hemorrhage or bleeding is a flow of blood. Is a flow of blood. Hemorrhage or bleeding is a flow of blood. F-L-O-W, flow of blood from an artery. From an artery, A-R-T-E-R-Y, from an artery, comma, vein or capillaries. From an artery, comma, vein or capillaries. Vein, V-E-I-N, vein or capillaries. C-A-P-I-L-L-A-R-I-E-S. Full stop. So, arteries are what? Write down below artery, you write down the meaning of arteries. Arteries, you write down blood vessels. Artery, put a dash and write down blood vessels that carries blood. Blood vessels that carries blood. Blood vessels that carries blood away from the heart to other parts of the body. Carries blood from the heart to the other parts of the body. So what is the function of artery? It carries blood, okay, from heart to different parts of the body. Okay, write down below veins. V-E-I-N-S, veins. V-E-I-N-S, veins. Write down veins are blood vessels. Veins are blood vessels. Veins are blood vessels that carries blood towards the heart. That carries blood towards the heart. So the function of vein is what? It carries blood towards the heart. Okay, and arteries carries blood from the heart to different parts of the body. Okay. Roop Jyoti, arteries carry oxygenated or deoxygenated blood? Any idea, Roop Jyoti? Arteries carry oxygenated or deoxygenated blood? Rich person? Who is? Rich person is present. Rich person. Simon, yeah, rich person. Tell me, what does arteries carry? Oxygenated or deoxygenated blood? Any idea?
Deoxygenated
Huh?
blood. Deoxygenated blood.
Deoxygenated.
Deoxygenated blood, ma'am.
No.
Oxygenated blood.
Yes, arteries carry oxygenated blood and veins carry deoxygenated or impure blood. Okay, don't forget these two things. Okay, what does veins carry and what does arteries carry? It can come as a fill in the blanks or it can come as a multiple choice question also. So you should know what does a vein and an artery carry. Okay, don't be confused. Next, you write down capillaries. Capillaries are what? Capillaries are tiny blood vessels. Okay, the horu, the small blood vessels, blood. Okay, your blood is not like a water just flowing like that. Bloods are made up of tiny blood vessels. Okay, so all those tiny blood vessels are known as capillaries. Okay, write down tiny blood vessels. Tiny blood vessels. Capillaries are tiny blood vessels. Next, below you write down types of hemorrhage. Types of hemorrhage. Types of hemorrhage. Types of hemorrhage. There are 3 different types of hemorrhage. There are 3 different types of hemorrhage. There are 3 different types of hemorrhage. 3 different types of hemorrhage. Jumi, Yangbui, any idea what are the 3 different types of hemorrhage? Any idea, Jumi, Yangbui?
No, ma'am.
Srijana, any idea?
No, ma'am.
Kintyu, Juari, Jaura? Kintyu,
No,
any?
ma'am.
No, ma'am. Okay. Sriyam, any idea?
No, ma'am.
Saurabh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Do you have any idea what are the 3 different types of hemorrhages?
Ma'am, brain hemorrhage.
Haha.
Brain hemorrhage.
No, sorry. I mean to say types of hemorrhage, not brain hemorrhage. Simon Debarma? Simon? Okay. Okay, so the thing that you have written above, those are the 3 different types. Okay. Arteries, veins, and capillaries. So write down number 1, arterial bleeding. You have written the answer, right? Upside. What is a hemorrhage? Hemorrhage or bleeding is a flow of blood from the arteries, veins, or capillaries. So the 3 different types of hemorrhages are arterial bleeding, venous bleeding, and capillary bleeding. Okay. Write down number 1, arterial bleeding. Number 1 is your arterial bleeding. Arterial. A-R-T-E-R-I-A-L. Arterial bleeding. B-L-E-E-D-I-N-G. Bleeding. Below, you can even mark a bulletin. You write a bulletin, ... and you can write blood is bright red in color. Blood is bright red in color. Bright, B-R-I-G-H-T. Bright red in color. R-E-D, red in color. C-O-L-O-U-R. Blood is bright red in color. The second point you write, it spurts at each contraction. It spurts, S-P-U-R-T-S. Spurts means a sudden flow. Okay, it will just rush out. So you write it spurts at each contraction. C-O-N-T-R-A-C-T-I-O-N. Contraction. It spurts, S-P-U-R-T-S. It spurts at each contraction. The third point you write down, flow is pulsatile. Flow is pulsatile. Flow, F-L-O-W. Flow is pulsatile. P-U-L-S-A-T-I-L-E. Flow is pulsatile. Written? Finish, Srijana? Flow is pulsatile. Number two you write down venous bleeding. Number 2, venous bleeding. Venous bleeding, start with a bulletin. Bulletin, you know, na? Dot, dot, dot. At a first dot, you write down blood is dark red in color. Blood is dark red in color. Dark, D-R-K, dark. Huh? Blood is dark red in color. Blood is dark red in color. Number 2, it does not spurt. It does not spurt, S-P-U-R-T. That means it does not spurt means it won't have a forceful stream. Okay, whereas in arterial bleeding, it spurts at each contraction. Means it is like a force. Okay, the stream will be like a force and it will spurt at each contraction. But in venous, it does not spurt. Okay, number 3rd point you write down, steady flow. Steady flow. 3rd point you write down, steady flow. Steady, S-T-E-A-D-Y, steady means slowly. Okay, steady flow. S-T-E-A-D-Y, steady flow, F-L-O-W, flow. Number 3, write down capillary bleeding. Number 3, capillary bleeding. Number 3, capillary bleeding. Capillary bleeding. Write down, blood is red in color. Blood is red in color. So you can see the differences. In arterial, it was bright red in color. Venous, it was dark red in color. Now it will be only blood is red in color. Neither dark nor bright. Okay. Blood is red in color. Number 2nd bulletin, 2nd dot you write down. It does not spurt. Number 2nd, it does not spurt. S-P-U-R-T. It does not spurt. S-P-U-R-T. Spurt. It does not spurt. The last point you write, slow but even flow. Slow but even flow. S-L-O-W, slow but, beauty but, even, E-V-E-N. Slow but even flow, F-L-O-W, flow. Slow but even flow, F-L-O-W, flow. So these are the 3 different types of hemorrhages. Okay, first is arterial, then venous, then capillary. So Sajarika, what is the first point of arterial bleeding? Sajarika Debbarma. In arterial bleeding, what was the first point?
Blood is bright red in color.
Okay, and in what about in venous? What is the color of blood?
Dark.
Okay, and the last capillary?
Dark red color.
In capillary?
Red in color.
Okay. Sakani Dapyang, what is the second point of arterial bleeding? Please say fast. Sakani, second point. What was the second point in arterial bleeding?
It spurs and it contraction.
At each contraction, it will spurt. Okay. What is the meaning of spurt?
I don't know, ma'am.
A forceful stream. Okay. The blood will just rush out. In the second point in venous, what do you see? Does it spurt or it does not spurt?
It does not spur.
Okay. And in capillary?
It does not spur.
Okay. Saurabh, what is the third point of arterial bleeding? Yes,
Ma'am,
Saurabh.
flow is pulsatile.
Okay. And what about in venous?
Steady. Flow is steady.
Steady flow. Steady means?
Steady means proper, without any disturbance.
Okay, slow, na? And in capillary bleeding, how does it flows?
Slow but even.
Even flow. Okay. So these are the differences between the 3 different types of hemorrhages. Okay. I will just show you one screen. Can you see this? Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you see these arteries? How does the blood flow? Can you see? Can you see arteries, veins, and capillaries?
Yeah.
See, in arteries, it spurts that each contraction and flow is very much pulsatile, very forceful. You can see the spurt, how it spurts, so much forceful. Whereas in veins, you will see that blood is dark in color. It will have steady flow, okay, and it is dark red in color. Whereas in capillaries, you will see blood is red in color, okay, and it won't spurt. It won't be like this, neither this, okay. It will be very much, it does not spurt at all. And the last is, it will be very slow. Slow but even flow. It will flow, but it is very slow. Okay, arteries are the most dangerous one, we can say. Okay, people even die when you cut an artery or even a vein. Okay, so these are the three differences or the three types of hemorrhage. Understand? Ashri Debarma? Understood?
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Achha, okay. Now you write down effects of hemorrhage. Effects of hemorrhage. Effects of hemorrhage. What will happen when there will be excessive amount of blood loss? Okay. Effects of hemorrhage. Effects. Number one, the loss of LOSS, the loss of red blood cells, RBC, that is RBC, okay, red blood cells. The loss of red blood cells causes a lack of oxygen, LAC, lack of oxygen, O2, OXYG and oxygen to the body system. If you will have excessive amount of blood loss, what will happen? There will be a lack of oxygen in your body. Okay. So the loss of RBC, that is red blood cells, causes a lack of oxygen to the body systems. Number two, second point you write down, a decrease in blood volume. A decrease in blood volume. KV, why you were absent for so long? Since 4 or 5 days you didn't come for class. You had network issues or what?
No, ma'am, I wasn't feeling well.
Oh, okay. How are you now? Fine.
I'm good, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Number two, you write down a decrease in blood volume. A decrease in blood volume causes a decrease in blood pressure. A decrease in blood volume causes a decrease in blood pressure. When you will have loss of RBCs, loss of blood, okay, when there will be a decrease in your blood volume, what will happen? You will have hypotension. Hypotension means low BP, okay, low blood pressure. You will suffer from low blood pressure, okay. So number 2 point is a decrease in blood volume causes a decrease in blood pressure. What it? Number 3, you write the heart's pumping rate. The heart's pumping rate. The heart's pumping rate. The heart's pumping rate. The heart's pumping rate increases to compensate. Increases to compensate. COMPENSAT. Compensate for reduced blood pressure. So when your blood pressure is reduced, means when you will have low blood pressure, what will happen? The heart's pumping rate will increase. Okay, your heartbeat will increase. So the heart's pumping rate increases to compensate for reduced blood pressure. Compensate for reduced blood pressure. Blood pressure, BP. To compensate for reduced blood pressure. Number 4 point you write down. Number 4, the last point. The force of the heartbeat, the force of the heartbeat, the force of the heartbeat. Saurabh, you please write down for section A, okay, attendance. The force of the heartbeat, the force of the heartbeat is reduced. The force of the heartbeat is reduced since there is less blood to pump. Since there is less blood to pump. So heartbeat, the force will be reduced. Why? Because the blood volume has decreased and also since there is less blood to pump. Okay, so there will be a reduced heartbeat. Okay, next you write Write down the aim of management. Aims of management. Aim of management. Aim of management. Aim of management. So effects of hemorrhage is complete. Okay, now you write aims of management. What do you think? What you should do when someone is having bleeding? What you should do? Tabayakar. What do you think you should do? You will just see when someone is bleeding. You will just see the patient or the person like, okay, let him bleed, or you will do something. Salmi Debarma. Ania, is there Ania? Lobsang, Lobsang, tell me. What do you think? What will you do? Lobsang, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please tell me. Turn on your videos. Why you all don't to turn on your videos? How will I see you all when I'm taking class?
My network is not good, ma'am.
Oh, acha, okay. Tell me, what would you do when someone is having bleeding? First thing, what will you do? Or you will just see and
First,
enjoy?
try to ma'am. First, we will try to stop the flow of blood, ma'am.
Okay. And
After that, we will apply some bandages. After that, apply some bandages, ma'am.
Actually, I'm not able to understand. Maybe your network is not so good, no? It's okay. Gunojit Nath is who? Who is Gunojit? I never saw this person. Section A, I guess. Gunojit Nath. Unmute yourself and tell me. Gunojit Nath. Sriyam, you tell me. Yes, Sriyam, say first. What would you do?
Ma'am, cover their bleeding
Huh?
cut. Cover
Yeah.
with bandages
Yes, means
at
you
the
will
time of
control
bleeding.
bleeding. You will try to control
Yes,
the
ma'am.
bleeding.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, good. Number one, you write control bleeding as soon as possible. That is the first point. You will have to control the bleeding. You won't just watch. Okay, later the things will come, but first you have to control the bleeding. Okay, very good. Number one, you write control bleeding as soon as possible. Control bleeding as soon as possible. Control bleeding as soon as possible. Number two, keep the wound clean. Keep the wound, W-O-U-N-D. Keep the wound clean, C-L-E-N, clean. And dress it to minimize. And dress it, D-R-E-S-S. Dress it, I-T-it, to minimize. Dress it to minimize blood loss and prevent infection. Minimize blood loss and prevent infection. I-N-F-E-C-T-I-O-N. And prevent infection. Third point, arrange urgent removal to the hospital. Arrange urgent removal to the hospital. Urgent removal to the hospital. H-O-S-P-I-T-L, hospital. Acha, can you all please join the class again, because this meeting time is getting over. Okay, please join the class again. We'll continue with this class only. Okay, thank you.